Blue TV.
Hi kids, today we are going to see human body parts. Come on, let's start. This is our head. This is our ears. And this is nose. This is our eyes. This is our mouth. And this is our hands. This is arms. And this is our legs. This is our foot. And this is our lips.
Thank you.